All right, what up, guys? I'm back at it today. I'm with Orion. So he did the custom headlights for me. As you can see, he blacked them out, color matched it to the paint of the Jeep. He added another projector, which is the high beam, so they both run it. You can see the video. I already did a video on it. But today, I got to do something else, man. You already know me. I'm going to do a video on every little thing I do to this fucking Jeep. I swear to God. And so today, there's one thing missing on the front end. And yeah, that chrome piece, shout out to Black Ops. I just placed an order with them. They gave me a huge discount. I'll show you guys what I ordered next on another video once it arrives. But besides that chrome piece, I'm missing one thing to black it out. And that's the fucking fog lights. They look ugly as hell. They look yellow. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Fucking SpongeBob looking ass fog lights. But today, these are the fog lights I got. Fuck. I guess they're not even assembled. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at, guys. I'm not fucking... Oh, I pulled out the wrong fucking box. God damn. I'll leave that in the video so you guys see I'm a dumbass sometimes. But these are it right here. Morimoto, right? Morimoto. I tell you, I wasn't blessed with smartness, but I look handsome as hell. So this is the box. I'm trying to open it. My bad, guys. And record. You know, all the time I look at people do this shit, I'm like, man, they're fucking whack. But I guess I can't blame them. So these are the fog lights. Let me skip this part because then I'll just be recording. All right, guys. I finally unboxed it. So this is the fog light right here. Bam. So it's blacked out. You know, for the most part, I want my shit blacked out, but not like completely blacked out. But the front end needs to be blacked out with some carbon fiber. But these are the fog lights. Orion got me a hell of a deal. You know, he gets discounts from all these people. So I'm always plugged in. But these will run you about, how much are they? Like $250?
Yeah.
Like $250. But I paid like half of that. But so yeah, you get these for $250. They're bright as hell. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit what it is. He's gonna get ready and to install them, and I'll go play by play on it.
What's up?
So he already got one of the fog lights off. Right now we're looking like Fetty Wap. Fucking missing a fucking piece, bro. But the fog light, oh, where's it at? Oh, is it? It's right here. I got a new camera, guys, so I'm all fucking done with the camera. I'm fucking old as shit. Uncle don't know how to work a camera anymore. And this is the difference. You see right there? That's the two difference right there. And these are it. So like I said, you got that fucking screw right there. And what else, Orion? And these two screws back here?
This is what holds the actual fog in the bumper.
Oh, okay. And then there's that screw in the front, huh?
Yep. That's the adjuster.
That's right there. All right, guys. This probably takes like, well, this takes Orion like literally fucking 2 minutes to take off and put it back on. But he does this for a living, so I don't blame it. All right, guys. So he got the Morimoto fucking fog lights installed. This is how it looks without them being turned on. So yeah, it's all blacked out, just how I like it. Like I said, I got that black piece coming in, carbon fiber from Black Ops. Shout out to Chad once again. And this is how they look with the headlights on. Boom. And then this is with the high beam and the fogs on. That shit looks beautiful. Highly recommend, if you guys got a WK1, highly recommend getting those fog lights. They look good. It's blacked out. You don't got those yellow looking faded ass fog lights on it. Make sure you get these Morimoto fog lights. So when you see, oh, I'm gonna look this up on YouTube, best believe I'm gonna be on that shit doing a review or showing you that it's getting installed. Peace out.